afternoon, students. Today we are going to revise chapter Plants Around Us. Students, you must have noticed or observed various plants around yourself. Today we will move a little bit further. We will talk about the reproductive part in the plant. So in this chapter, we are going to revise reproduction in plants by the vegetative parts. Okay, so let us start. Today is 5 of February 2021. Plants around us. In this chapter, we will study reproduction. Reproduction in plants by the vegetative parts. Now, one question must be arising in your mind that what is reproduction, ma'am? So, reproduction is the process in which a parent plant will reproduce their new baby plants which resembles by them. Means a rose plant will produce a rose plant. Right? A mango tree will produce a mango tree. Right? This is called reproduction. Fine. So the process of producing a new plant, you can write it down. The process of producing a new plant. This is the keyword, new plant, which resembles its parent plant. Okay, which resemble its parent plant means a baby plant will look like. Resemble means look like, right? It's that baby plant will look like its parents. So that complete process is called reproduction. Okay, and one more word will be unknown to you, right? That is the vegetative parts. So vegetative parts are roots, leaf, stem, right? These are the vegetative parts of the plant. So now we can conclude that in this chapter we will study a new plant production through roots, leaf and stem. So is that clear what we are going to study in this chapter? Please just look at it once again. Then we will study about the roots, how roots will produce, and then how leaf follow the process of reproduction, and how stems can produce a new plant. That we will study. Now we will move further. I hope you all have written it and the image of the chapter is clear in your mind. So let us start. How reproduction occurs with the help of vegetative part, firstly by the root. Okay? So, we will do reproduction over here by the vegetative parts. Right? And vegetative parts are roots, stems, and leaves. Firstly, we will go with roots. Roots. Roots of some plants, for example, if we take potato, your sweet potato, turnip, radish. Not only they store the food, but in addition with that, they have the capability to grow a new plant. Okay, so let us see. Roots. I am writing here some roots, not all the roots, only some roots. Okay, some roots of plants, or you can say roots of some plants. Roots of some plants store food, right? Store food means roots of some plants we eat as a food. And for example, if we take, then examples can be the turnip, sweet potato, right? Because they are the roots and we eat them, so they store food inside them. That's why we eat them. And such type of roots also have the capability to grow a new plant. Means if you take a sweet potato and if you put it inside the soil and you provide some moisture, or you can say some water to it, and a favorable temperature is around that, then you'll be surprised to know that that will start growing into a new baby plant. Okay, so what they have? They have capability. They have capability to what? To grow a new baby plant. Right? To grow a new baby plant. So interesting and amazing, right? है ना? The first interesting word was that we eat some roots because it contains food inside it. है ना? Second is that the most important line is that it has the capability to grow or to give a birth to a new baby plant, right? Of it the same kind. Means a turnip will give birth to a new turnip plant. A sweet potato will reproduce a new baby plant of a sweet potato only. Clear? So this is about the vegetative part root I have discussed here. Just go through it. the next vegetative part, that is the stem. We'll study about the stem. Okay, how a stem has the capability of growing a new baby plant. And we will also discuss the various examples of the stems which has the capability to grow a new baby plants. Okay, so let us see. Stems. If we cut the stem and grow into the soil, it will convert into a new baby plant. Right? So, some of stems of some plants, have the capability to grow a new baby plant of same kind. Great. Of same kind. Clear? So, if we talk about its example, then actually what happened? A stem is there, a plant is there. Fine. Fine. And if this part of the stem has cut, and if we plant it here, some other place, then this stem will start growing into the new plant. Means this part of the plant have the capability to grow a different similar plant. And if we talk about its example, then its examples are money plant, rose plant, right? These are the plants. Basically, these plants do not have seeds. This money plant, it do not have any seed or any flower. So, how the money plants, baby plants grow? Then, their stems can be used for the reproduction. Okay. Similarly, in the case of the rose plant, we take stem for the reproduction. Clear? So this is about the stem. Just go through it. Now we will move further with the next vegetative part, that is the leaf. Okay? So let us see. Leaf. Leaf of some plants have the capability to grow a new baby plant. So what quality they have that other plants leaves are not having? That suppose this is a leaf, on the edges of the leaf some birds are there. Some birds are there. So what happened? When this particular leaf detached from its plants and fall on the ground, that leaf starts growing into a new plant because the presence of the birds on its edges. Right? This extra feature give that particular plant the capability to grow into a new baby plant or to provide reproduction. Only few plants having this capability, in which leaves are used as the vegetative part for the reproduction. And their examples are begonia, the second one is bryophyllum. Right. These plants' leaves are having buds on its edges, which is used as the vegetative part for the reproduction in the plant or for producing a new plant with the help of leaf. Okay, so just look at it. Just write it down and learn the various examples which come under the category for the vegetative parts reproduction in the case of roots, stems and leaves. Okay, so alright students, I hope all the topics today which we have covered in this video are clear to you. Right, so just revise this chapter from your book also. Thank you so much for watching this video.